A car horn blares behind you. Your shoulders jump. Your heart slams once, hard. And here is the strange part. You flinched before you even knew what the sound was. Your brain reacted before your mind caught up. It decided you were in danger before a single conscious thought arrived. That feels wrong, like your body betrayed your mind and moved first. But the real answer is far stranger. Your body did not betray you. It saved you, using a system built long before you were born. Picture your ancestors walking through tall grass at dusk. The grass rustles. There is no time to think. Is that a snake? Or just wind? Thinking takes time you do not have if it is a snake. So evolution built something faster than thinking. That shortcut still lives inside you right now. Neuroscientist Joseph Ledoux spent decades mapping this shortcut. Deep in your brain sits a small cluster of neurons called the amygdala. It does not understand nuance. It knows pattern only: fast movement, sudden shadow, sharp sound. Anything resembling danger gets flagged instantly, and your body reacts before your thinking brain, the prefrontal cortex, even receives the signal. Ledoux called this the low road. Information travels from your eyes straight to the amygdala, skipping the slower, accurate route through the cortex. The high road, where you actually understand what happened, arrives milliseconds later. Milliseconds do not sound like much. But for your ancestors, it was the difference between reacting to a predator in time or not at all. Psychologist Arne Oman flashed people images too fast for conscious recognition. Snakes and spiders triggered measurable fear, sweat, racing heart, before people could even say what they saw. Guns, statistically far more dangerous today, barely registered at all. Why would a spider matter more than a gun? Because your amygdala was not built for the world you live in now. It was tuned over millions of years to a world of snakes in grass. Guns have existed for a few hundred years. Evolution has not caught up. This is the twist. You are not overreacting when you flinch at a shadow, or your pulse spikes at footsteps behind you. You are not broken. You are ancient. Every flinch is a message from a system that kept every one of your ancestors alive long enough to have children. Every single one, unbroken, all the way back. If even one had reacted a half-second too late, you would not be here. But there is a cost to running old software in a new world. Psychologist Daniel Kahneman described two systems in the mind. System 1 is fast, automatic, emotional. System 2 is slow and deliberate. System 1 is almost always first, and it colors everything System 2 concludes. Your amygdala cannot tell a predator from a deadline. A tense email, a midnight notification, a crowded train, all register as threat. All trigger the same flood of adrenaline built for a 10-second sprint, not an entire anxious afternoon. That is why chronic stress feels so exhausting. Your body holds a posture meant for a sprint, stretched across hours of low-grade worry. And yet, understanding this changes something. Once you see the flinch as an ancient reflex doing its job, not a personal failure, you can respond differently. Notice the jump. Recognize an old friend, still trying to protect you from lions that no longer exist. Naming it, that is my amygdala, not an emergency, can shorten how long you stay in the spiral. You cannot stop the flinch, but you can shorten it. Your ancestor in the grass felt their heart rate slow once the rustle turned out to be wind, and kept walking. Fast alarm, quick resolution. Move on. Modern life rarely lets the alarm resolve. The email stays. The uncertainty lingers. The alarm keeps ringing because the grass never stops rustling. So tonight, when a horn makes you jump, or a shadow drops your stomach before you know why, remember what is happening. It is not weakness. It is the same shortcut that once turned rustling grass into survival. You flinched before you even saw the danger. Because somewhere back in your bloodline, someone else flinched at exactly the right moment and lived to become the reason you exist at all.
And that's the story. If this changed the way you think about something you've done your whole life without question, that's kind of the whole point of this channel. If you want the next one, hit subscribe. It costs nothing, and it's the only reason this channel keeps going. And if this one was worth your time, tap like. It's a small thing, but it tells us exactly what to dig into next. See you in the next story.